Good morning, Miss Littlefields' 4th grade class. My name is Will. I'm actually a junior at PHS, and I did attend Little Harbor, so that makes us all winners. Today I'm teaching you guys about erosion. And erosion is pretty simple. The actual definition of erosion is the destruction of landscape through natural products. Now, what does that mean? What are natural products? So natural products are destructors that the earth produces, like wind, water, and fire. So let's pretend this is a beachhead, right? All the sand up here is a beachhead. This is an empty ocean. So we put water in it, fills up, stretches up to the beachhead. Now, when we start to create waves, that water goes further up the beachhead and drags some of that sand back with it into the ocean. This is erosion. Now, we pour the water out. You can see how much that beachhead has already diminished and been stretched out all the way through the ocean. So that's what erosion is. There are some other ways you can see it. Now, in these 3 separate containers, I have different materials. This one, I have sticks, dried leaves, and a little bit of mulch. In this one, I have gravel, and in this one, I just have some topsoil. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to put water in each of these, and we're going to see how much water comes out into these cups. We're looking for how much water is there, how clear is the water. So, let's start. So as those drain into the cup, you can see that some of them are still retaining water. This one still has a little bit of water in it. This still has a lot of water in it. Now, take these cups. Now, you see, this cup is from the topsoil. This one is filthy. That means the water eroded a lot of the topsoil into the cup. This one is from the sticks and leaves and mulch. This one is relatively clear, and there's a decent amount in there. So that means the sticks, leaves, and mulch are not good at stopping the water, but it does clean it a little bit. Or not a little bit, it doesn't add much dirt to it. This one is from the gravel. It has the least amount in here, so that means the gravel is good at retaining water. It's also not that diluted, so it doesn't muddy it up enough. So you can see how each one of these different landscapes erodes differently. Now, the last piece I have is a rock. Now, erosion of rocks and stones is much different. It's a much longer process, and it's far more delicate. Now, when you're erosion of a landscape, water just takes it all away, pushes it down. Erosion of rocks is far different, takes far longer. When you submerge the rock into water, there's tiny microfractures and micro tears within the rock. And the water gets in there and pushes all the air out. And when the water starts to freeze, it pushes the rock apart, makes it blow up. Now, if you've ever left like a Coke or a soda in your freezer, you've obviously seen this happen because the Coke explodes and the can is burst outward and Coke goes everywhere. It's really annoying to clean up. So that's how erosion of rocks works. It's far longer and far more delicate. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video today. A couple things to think about. what causes erosion, is erosion preventable, and what's a large-scale form of erosion that you can think of. All right, thanks.